Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Valentina. Welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. Today's video is another back to basics, so we're gonna fill in my eyebrows together. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. There's many different ways to fill in your eyebrows and many different products. So the ones that I do normally use, depending from the effect that I want my eyebrows to have, there is pencils. This is a sort of a liquid and is waterproof. There is a pomades or powders, so you can get an eyeshadow as long as it's matte, or there is specific powders. There's a powder kits for eyebrows, and those ones normally come with a powder and a wax to set your eyebrows. So my eyebrows today, I'm gonna do them with the pencils. These are my three favorite pencils to use. I think today I'm gonna go with the Precisely My Brow because I don't want my eyebrows to be particularly strong. I try to keep it natural, which is like my standard for natural is pretty much this one. When I want to go a little bit stronger, I normally use either a pomade or a powder. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see better. I'm gonna fill in this eyebrow first because it's just the easiest to do and I think it's the best looking eyebrow. I'm gonna brush my eyebrow up and then I'm gonna brush it down. And I'm brushing it down because I'm starting to fill in the arch. By defining the arch first, I can lift the eyebrow so the eye looks a little bit lifted. And I go with very little strokes. And then I'm moving down. And I stop where basically the majority of the hair stops, because here I have very sparse hair, but then that part I'm gonna fill it in later. I fill up the arch, so I brush them upwards, and then I start from the bottom. I go very lightly and I brush, because obviously you don't want a straight line. I'm gonna start fill up the top. I never pick a particularly dark brown. My face looks very angry. I'm just doing little strokes and they're very like I'm barely touching my skin. And then I brush upwards over here, and then I try to make it to level it up here, and then I get back to the front and again very light strokes. I'm following the direction of my natural hair, and you know, I want the front to look full but not crazy strong. It's very important to set your eyebrows. So my favorite eyebrow gel is the 24 hours brow setter by Benefit. This is like hairspray for your eyebrows. It's just fantastic. This is one eyebrow done, and this is it for today's video, guys. So as you can see, I filled in my other eyebrow and they don't look exactly the same because their original shape is already different. When I was younger, I've been plucking so much. My eyebrows used to be a lot shorter. Like I remember that I plucked a lot of the front, and when I used to raise my eyebrows, I used to have like, you could see where the hair was before. My brother used to like mock me a lot. I spent like quite a few years having my brother mocking me because of my eyebrows. My mom didn't want me to pluck my eyebrows, but then I was 14 getting into high school and I had these bushy eyebrows, and like I think if I had a little bit more of self-confidence, I would put a picture up. Maybe I'm gonna insert a picture, I don't know, we'll see. But like my eyebrows used to be like very strong eyebrows, and when I was 14 everyone used to have these super fine and lifted eyebrows, and I just wanted those. Like a lot of plucking, during my high school years. If you're thinking about plucking, don't pluck. Just go to an esthetician. If you really want to give a better shape to your eyebrow, just go to an esthetician and have someone that knows how to do their job doing it for you. There's amazing talented women out there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, it would mean the world to me. Comment down below what would you like to see next. Have a great day and I'll see you again soon. Mwah. Bye.